In this video, we're going to get into your online booking. So every one of our templates, I've already added online booking to the site. So here I am in the dashboard, and right here under booking services and booking calendar are the two places that you're going to be dealing with those booking services. So we're going to start with booking calendar, and we're going to go ahead and go into staff. So this is where you're going to set up your default hours and also any staff members, if you have staff members, or setting yourself up as well. So also you'll notice on here, and I'll go into this when I go into the actual services, but this is really cool if you do any kind of online consultations or online services. You can actually set up your Zoom account to be default so that whoever books an appointment will automatically get that Zoom link. It'll automatically be set up for that appointment, so that's kind of cool. So you can see here, it's going to start you out with just one staff member. So you can come in here and go ahead. We'll go ahead and name this. I'll put my name in here. And if you want to put a description, if you're the owner, if you're, they kind of give you some examples here, your email, your phone, and then of course, if you want to add a profile photo. And then also on here, you'll notice, I'm going to go ahead and save this. As I mentioned, right here are your default hours. So if there's only one of you right now, then you can just have those default hours. So go ahead and set those up. And then go back to that staff. You'll notice on here, you can also set those individual working hours for each staff member. And then you can choose, if you want to give calendar access. Obviously, make sure that that's someone that you trust to get in there and be messing with the calendar. Typically, you just want kind of the admin to have that calendar access. So adding a new staff member is super easy. Just click on here and go ahead and add all that new information. Actually, let's go ahead and add another just so I can show you when we get into the booking services. So work schedule, that's just going to be everyone's work schedule on here that you can see. And then there's, lots of different booking apps that you can use as well. So again, I encourage you to go through here and search that, see how you can really set this up to work perfectly for your business. And then in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and get into how to actually set up those booking appointments.